Dear investors and friends, March 2025 was marked by the successful celebration of Carnival in Dominica, which attracted a record number of visitors and strengthened the island's tourism industry. Amid this growth, construction of Anichi Resort and Spa continues at a steady pace. The resort is proudly part of the Autograph Collection by Marriott International and has been approved by the Dominican government under the Citizenship by Investment Program. With minimum investment starting at $220,000, the citizenship application process typically takes 3 to 4 months. The benefits of Dominican citizenship include visa-free travel to over 140 countries and territories, a favorable tax climate, access to the Caribbean market, and lifetime citizenship. Don't miss out on this unique opportunity. Contact us now to explore the possibilities.